Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Goob from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the hair. Let's draw a large curve up to the left and back in. And then a smaller one underneath. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a line out on both sides. And then bring it down. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a circle on the top left. Then for the right eye, let's draw a circle that's a little bit lower. And then add another circle inside each one. Now let's color both of these circles in black. Now underneath each eye, let's add another circular curve like this. And then add 3 small circles inside each one. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a curve across for the mouth. And then a line on both ends. Next, for the head, let's hop out to the sides and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And then another curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back up. And now let's do the same next to it on the right, but longer. Now underneath for the body, let's draw lines down and curve it in towards the center. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with a curve down on the left and the same on the right. Now let's hop inside and let's do the same thing, but longer. Then a curve for the tops of the feet. And then close off each one with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's add some stripes. Let's draw 2 curves near the top. And then 2 more underneath. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side and let's draw 2 long curves down and bring it out at the bottom. Then at the ends, let's draw 3 bumps across. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. From the top, let's curve it out. And the same thing underneath. and then connect them at the end with the curve down. Now inside the hand, let's draw a curve for the finger and close off the end. And then 3 more fingers with 3 bumps at the ends. And that's it for Goob. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!